cookies. I'm so excited. I will insert the like recipe here. So we have our bowl. This is all-purpose flour. This we need sugar, but yeah, it's in this tub. We have our cutouts. Cute. We're using the Epcot one. Okay, some of them did not survive, but it's okay. We have these and another batch. It's so cute. Okay, so I started decorating these, but this one we had to do emergency surgery because the leg kind of broke off, but it's okay. We're almost there, and I have this candle going. It's like the crushed candy cane. It's so good. So cute. Okay, here they are. These are the ones I'm bringing for work. They're very cute. And I got this like container. I don't know, I think from a Marshall's, but a couple years ago, and it's so perfect. And these are these are the aftermath of the ones that are left. This is like a cute one. I really like that one with the pink eyes, like star-shaped eyes. Some of them are whole and some of them are kind of in pieces, so it's all still edible. Like, we tried it, it's really good, I will say. And yeah. Okay, so I just got ready for work and the cookies were amazing. I'm so excited to bring it to work and have everyone try them. So actually, this is the end of Vlogmas. Just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. Have a very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to everyone. I hope you have a safe and happy and warm, relaxing holiday. We appreciate you, we love you, and I can't wait to see you in the next year. So Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. It's 2026, guys. Almost. It's almost 2026. Crazy. Mwah.